Welcome to Warrior Quiz.
50 quiz question about P90 gun. 10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go. Who designed the FN P90 gun? Yes, FN. P90 was made in which country? Of course, Belgium. What caliber does P90 use? Exactly, 5.7 millimeters. Which layout type is the P90? Yes, bullpup. How many rounds P90 holds? Of course, 50. When was the P90 first made? Exactly, 1990. Why was the P90 developed originally? Yes, armor. Where is the magazine located? Of course, top. What type of action P90 has? Exactly, blowback. Is the P90 fully ambidextrous? Yes, yes. What is the magazine made of? Of course, polymer. How many rows inside magazine? Exactly, 2. How much feed rotation angle? Yes, 90. What is P90's max range? Of course, 200. Which sight type comes standard? Exactly, reflex. Which pistol uses same ammo? Yes, 5.7. What is P90 muzzle speed? Of course, 716. What is its fire rate RPM? Exactly, 900. Who is main P90 inventor? Yes, Rene. In which decade P90 designed? Of course, 1980s. Why is magazine body clear? Exactly. Count. What material forms the body? Yes, polymer. What class of gun is P90? Of course, PDW. P90 fires from which bolt type? Exactly. Closed. What is P90's main advantage? Yes, size. What shape is P90 feed? Of course, spiral. Who requested PDW development? Exactly, NATO. Who owns FN Herstal Company? Yes, Belgium. How is its recoil compared 9 millimeters? Of course, lower. Magazine positioned above which part? Exactly, barrel. Do police forces use P90? Yes, yes. P90 charging handle placed where? Of course, rear. Is there a semi-auto model? Exactly, yes. What sight type P90 supports? Yes, optic. How many safety systems included? Of course, 2. Magazine release is designed for? Exactly, both. P90 bullet rotates toward what? Yes, chamber. What feature improves its handling? Of course, stock. P90 has what barrel length? Exactly, 264. What is its main combat role? Yes, PDW. Which army first used the P90? Of course, Belgium. What kind of sight illumination? Exactly, tritium. P90 ammo designed for what use? Yes, armor. How heavy is the full P90? Of course, 2.5 kilograms. Where does it eject shells? Exactly, down. P90 mainframe made from. Yes, polymer. Is P90 compact or large gun? Of course, compact. What replaces older SMGs now? Exactly, P90. What scope type fits easily? Yes, reflex. What is P90's rate of fire? Of course, fast.
I hope you get more questions, subscribe my channel, and get more points.